Okay, so we're back at this famous door operator that they just won't replace, but they got an issue with the top floor not closing here sometimes. So I'm just checking to see it's not getting hung up, right? Like, 'cause sometimes you can have what we call the money bump back there, right? Which is where the leading edge of this roller always stops at the same place. As well. The beak is warm, but actually it looks pretty good. Let me just take a quick sec here to get that door lock open. Okay, so we got it open. One, you can tell it is fairly worn, but I got it reversed here. It actually looks, that's hard to get you in the back there to see that. Like behind the lock there, right there. Focuses in there. That's where in the center on this track here, down there is where that thing will build up. That is definitely pretty worn. I'm not sure I've seen one that worn before, but excuse me. This is where things you look for here. You want to, I would say, like 1/8 of an inch there for playing your beak right here, so you have room for clearing it, right? You have room at the top of the beak, the bottom of the beak, so it doesn't have an issue coming into the lock, right? As well as you got some good wipe on there. And something else here, so this has the counterweight closer. Make sure that is spinning properly. There's some grease in there or something, but let me see if I can get them at least. I'm pretty sure this is one of the grease, but I'm not sure. That needs to be changed. Who knows what they do. Checking that these are tight too would be like your maintenance visit, right? Other than that, maybe tomorrow afternoon we'll come and change that. Okay, so I thought before I leave I'd come and check too, which you can see too is well worn. Look at the edge on that fucking thing. Yeah, roller's in rough shape. This is why these people have to sign off on this goddamn lock and door operator. Little mini mod, if say, like a door operator, fix up your hall doors, give you a light rate instead of a safety edge. But you can't force them to do it, I guess, right? As long as it's theoretically safe, even though it's a piece of turd. But yeah, that's her.